How you doing, boys? Today I've got pig iron on Workbench, made in China, of course, and as you can see, it's made of just metal panels painted on black color, and then there's massive pile of screws, frick sakes, friggin' bolts all over the place. Look. So it's a few different sizes. That's the same, that's just longer. Nuts are the same, washers the same. That's sets of 8 small screws. Yeah. Then I've got some boards here. That's the bottom one. Main board. Massive pegboard there, and then that's friggin' something else. And then I've got another pegboard hooks. There's 12 of them. Looks exactly like this. But I've ordered some smaller ones as well from eBay, so it's coming. So let's start making that crap. It was 44 British pounds, so it's with delivery from Germany, so that's not a bad deal. I'll show you later on. I'll try to build it somehow, and in about one a day I should have it ready. Right, see you later, boys. Hey boys, that's part 2 of my video about my workbench. As you can see, it's put all together. Now it's ready. So let's have a look. Got top panel there, it's like a shelf. I put lights here, so that's an energy saving bulb. So it's another lamp. That's a custom one. See a lamp like this before? Thanks to my mate Kierunio. His YouTube name Kierunio. Link is in description. So yeah, he helped me with building all that friggin' thing. So as you can see, I've got some smaller hooks, which I was talking about. First part, that's from eBay. These are brilliant ones. That's a 1 inch, but you can put it on 3/4 of inch as well, so that's adjustable. So of course I've got a bunch of oils there. I've got clock, you can see time. Then I've got some knives, some friggin' screwdrivers, safety goggles, stuff like this. Of course, here I've got my lossy 8. I need to be fixed. Shock broke off. Big jump. Big friggin' jump. So, but I've got parts, so I'll just need to fix it. So of course I've got some stuff on there as well. Then some more stuff underneath. I've got temporary bin here. My other loss, no, it's not lossy. That's friggin', oh, that's a Hyper 7. It's Hyper 7, deep sleep. And then I've got some, of course, it's friggin' drawer. Yeah, it's a nice workbench. It's enough for home use. Maybe for garage it's not the best, but for home use it's enough. For RC models, something like this, or fixing some basic things in your home. So yeah, and then I've got, all I need is just a friggin' bar stool, because the normal chair is too low, so I need bar stool. So I need to find one in shop, but that's all I need. The rest of it is brilliant, so it's good quality actually. There was no problem to put it together, so all screws was okay, all holes were alright, no problem. So yeah, take care, boys. So as you can see, I've got some lights here. It's all enough for working with my RC stuff. So take care and thanks for watching. Bye.